Hoorah! Secure the keys. And today I'm gonna be doing another video. The CrunchLabs, the drawing machine by Mark Rober. I have been waiting for a while because the original package kind of messed up. So I'm going to get started and finally make the drawing machine. So first, let's look at the first instruction to see what we need to do. According to this, we need to grab, I'm going to say these are motors, and then I say we grab, let's just see what's in here exactly. Here. And then we'll go over here to this stuff, grab this out, put one on both, like so. Probably better if not like that. Probably more like this. Just need to align it. Oops, that's not supposed to be. Okay. Come on. There we go. There we go. Just like this. And then once that's done, let's see. No, it's stuck to me. No. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, once it's done, I grab this piece, I think. Yeah, grab that piece. Take this off, the white part of this. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Okay, carefully do that. I think it's just for one of them. Yeah, just for one of them. And then according to this, once that's done, I grab this thing. Yeah. Then I grab this last sticky thing, take out this part, and then I need to align, take this out first, and then I align it. Like so. Once aligned, I grab this giant board. Turn this thing upside down, peel off the white part. And come on. Give me a sec. There we go. Then I put this right here. There we go. Yep. Oh, just press down on it, make sure it sticks. And then for the next part, I peel this off. And then I put this wooden one close in the middle of them, so like right here. Stick. Then do the same for this one. Come on. Give me a second. There we go. Yep, there we go. Get out. Okay, then I stick this thing right here. Just like that. Oh wait, no, maybe not just like that. Just like that. Yeah. And then once that's done, we move on to part 5 of the instructions, and I grab this. Oh, I see it. Okay. Do I do it for? Okay, yeah, I do it for both. So I stick this right through this hole, which goes down here through, and then I grab this and put it through this hole, and then I try to grab from here. No! Come back here! I need you! And then I grab this and boom. That's just there to make sure it stays there. And I grab another piece for the other side. Just pull it out and snap. Right there. Next up is the red wires. According to this, it says to do... Oops. Red wire right here connecting to the other red wire. That was easy. Let's see. Seems like one of the connections of the wires are weak. According to this, we're going into this bag and just rip it open. Get rid of that thing. Get these things over here. Grab these two. Push in. And this is cute. I'm going to keep that going. And I'm going to do the same with this one. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to. Yeah, I'd say to take this white part off of it and then stick it, because it's showing the white, or never said to take anything off. Maybe this is the wrong one and it's not supposed to have something on it. I honestly don't know right now. Come on. I'm just gonna keep one on and the other off. Man, that's boom, just like that. Here, and then I stick these things right in the hole. Oh, whoa, it's getting bright, it's getting bright. I'm a vampire, hide from the sun. Hey. And then see them swim. Oh, yeah, that's supposed to be like. Put this other stuff to the side for now. And then, I'm moving on to step probably gonna be 10, yeah, 10. Step 10 of the this is just a test. Okay, never mind. Oh wait, yes, step 10 is the actual thing. Never mind. And then I turn this thing over, and then I take off this white part, lift this up, put it right there, make sure it sticks, because this is going to be the part that holds it up. It's going to be the stand. You know what I mean? Okay, then I take this part off too. Actually, I'm just doing this all for each corner. Really? Oh no. Fast forward. And stick. Then I think I turn this around. Oh. No. Why are you unsticking? Stick. Okay, there. That should be good. That should be good. Okay, once I'm done with that, I grab this. Put it right there. Oh, I know. I grab another one of this. Put it through the holes. Should stick out in the back. Hold it like that. And I do this. Come on. Put it in. And pull it out. Make sure it stays like that. And according to this, grab this ball. Put it right in between. And that's cool. Once that's done, we move on to step 13. Grabbing this thing and this thing. Oh, no. And this thing. I peel this off. And then I put it right over the circle. And then once I have that on, I grab this piece right here and this. Peel off this part so it can stick on. Why is it sticking? No, don't stick yet. Boom. And then I turn this over and connect them. Oh, they're like this. And I grab this piece and one of these light or these regular blue. Put this on top of it and connect. And then I have a feeling I do almost the exact same thing on the... Oh wait, no. Come on. I want it. Come on. There we go. Yep. Just like that. It's my elbow. Wait, no. This is my arm. Wait. Hey, yeah, I'll attack you with this thing. No, wait. I'll cut your vegetables. Yeah. Okay. I should probably quit playing with this before I mess it up or something. And I do this. Grab another blue piece. Put it through here and put it through there. Then it's a stick man. No, never mind. Then once done with that, I cross these. Make sure it crosses in the middle. Then I grab one of these blue parts, connect it, make sure. And then once done with step 19, I grab this piece. Wait. I did something wrong, I think. Did I? According to this is supposed to bend. Huh? Just one straight line. And I think I did something wrong, but then I don't know. Oh, that's why. There it is. Man. Which means I messed this thing up. Okay, this part I'm just gonna fast forward it, because at this point the thing is just like way too long. So fast forwarding now. Finally, put it in, got the paper. Okay, just slip it under. Now time to see if it works. Oops, why did I do that? Just screw it in to make sure it's held tight. Oh. Okay. And see what it can do. Maybe I just need to. Oh, that's. Man, this thing keeps on coming loose. And that's it. After so long, it's done. It's finally done. Yeah, I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So until next time, see you.